Hi there, my name is Sayed. Welcome to the video. In this video, we will be talking about 100x coin predictions, how to research cryptocurrency. So 100x, you probably have seen many videos on that. So that is not exactly that I will be giving you the 100x coin, but I will give you the how to research cryptocurrency. So let's get started with this video. So profitable cryptocurrency. I would say before buying cryptocurrency, you need to see the review current market, and there are more tips. Before we go into the further, I will give you this book link in the description below, and the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain, and I'll give you some information. If you have this book, you can take a look at some these topics in detail. And this is my book published on Amazon, so this is just giving you the screenshot of that. So let's take a look at it. So from there is in this book there is a mind map which is available, and the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain, where you can see the book title, and you can see that in one of the chapter I have this mind map. So researching cryptocurrency, you want to take a look at coin social media, where you can see Twitter followers, media posts, you can see official website, you can see exchange ranking, you can see development updates. So all of this information I have put this in the book, and you can go these topics and you can start looking at those, and that will give you some good idea that what coin will do 100x or not. The same fundamentals goes for any company and the cryptocurrency as well. You can see in this mind map, you can see how many followers they have on Twitter. You can see their media post, if they are posting it frequently or not. What is their tokenomics, if they are based off of different coin, and what is their total supply, burn rate. So burn rate give you that if they are burning some coin after 6 months, the value of the coin will go up. What is the exchange ranking they have, and development updates, if they are putting some exchanges on they're putting some development changes, updating it and making it public. What is their trading volume, news and pricing, and so on and so forth. So this is one of the topics available in the book, and I have discussed this in detail. For example, you can see in chapter 3, where to research new cryptocurrency official website, social media, all of these topics are there. You can see one of the topics and a brief description and information available. And this is again from this book, the basics of cryptocurrency and the blockchain, that is available on Amazon and Kindle as well. So let's get to the next slide. And this is one of the example. You can see if you want to research a coin, this is just, I just put one coin, Altura, and you can see this is their price and what they're gone up. This is from Coin Market Cap. You can put your coin up here and search, and after that you can see all sorts of information available in that. So for example, you can see contract address. With this address you can use your MetaMask and exchange before this coin is available into the different exchanges. So what does that mean is many coins, when they release, they are not available on exchanges. Before they get released on exchange, they are available on open market, and you can buy this with your MetaMask or different swap websites. So that is the contract address you can use and to exchange this. You can see their what is their price of the change up here. You can see their official website. You can see their white paper, and a lot of information is available. Market cap and what is their volume is showing up here, and max supply and total supply. All sort of information is available. Let's take a look at the next page. I cannot put the whole website into this, so I just put it in different slides. So next slide, you can see their chart. You can go by day, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months. So all sorts of information is available, that how this coin is doing. And you can see on the right hand side, this is price changes in 24 hours. What is their 24 hours high and low, and volume, market dominance. All this information is very useful. Market cap is 93 million. And so let's take a look at more information. You can see there are different buttons available. Market, so you can go by different charts. You can see, so below that you can see what is Altura and the information about this coin, and you can see how many the the trade volume, they're just putting it out there. What is Altura? So this is where you see the information about this coin, and you can do research and you can read up on that and see if it is valuable or not. So this is just give you some glimpse that what you can do, and you can when you're looking at coin, you can see there the contract, if the token, what is the ranking on that token. So this is 3000 ranking. If the token ranking goes up, you can see the value of the token will go up as well. So this is just one example. You can take a look at it and you can start researching it. And I would say the best thing is to start looking into all these points. And if you want to read up on more, check up on this website, which is available on Amazon and Kindle. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on next video. Thank you very much.